Varadarajan, Chief Safety Expert from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Chennai. I am really honored to be part of the Lifting India Safety organized by the Inspiring Safety Foundation. I am grateful to Sukla ji for giving me the opportunity to join this award program. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to Sukla ji and his team for organizing such an outstanding award program. We already came for the season 1 for the Lifting India Safety Awards. We are coming in the second season also. I would like to come in future award programs also. I would like to appreciate Sukla ji for organizing this award program in future also. Thank you.
I am came from Ahmedabad, from High-Tech Projects Private Limited. My name is Jaimin Patel, and we are applying very first time for this LISA award from Inspire Safety Foundation. At Ahmedabad, High-Tech Projects Private Limited company, construction company, is working on, our specialty is on high-rise building like 15-story to 32-story. We have completed multiple high-rise building at Ahmedabad from 15-story to 32-story, and we have get CIDC Vishwakarma Award, NSA Award previously, like multiple time. And first time I have applied in this LISA award, and I am very happy to get this award, and I appreciate Inspire Safety Foundation to manage this type of functions and award celebrations. Thank you very much.
On behalf of entire Ram Janmabhoomi team, L&T team, I would like to thank Lifting India Safety, Inspire Safety Foundation for delivering such a great award for Ram Janmabhoomi project. Totally, since last 4 years, shall I speak or you are asking any questions? Continue, no? Last 3 years, we are constructing the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi projects. Initially, for the plinth stone installations, 17,000 numbers of granite stone, each of every 3 ton is, the weight, was successfully installed for the plinth stone. Then near about the 12 lakh CFT pink stone was used for the construction of entire Ram Janmabhoomi project. Out of these, only 1,50,000 CFT was balanced. Then after, the temple will be completed. Today we are here, we are receiving the awards. But at the same time, Ram Darbar statue at the first floor of the temple was going to install. At 4:30, the same statue will be placed at the Garbhagruha at first floor. After that, the entire temple will be completed. Last 30th of April, in the Akshaya Tritiya, we installed the 42-meter high Dhwajastambha, and on 5th of the June, during the age of the Rama Dashera, Ganga Dashera, we are going to fly the Hindu Dharma Dhwaja and Ram Temple. Thank you. Any questions? See, कैसा था वो जो प्रोजेक्ट्स था इट्स अ टोटल डिफरेंट हमने ये अभी तक
Presenting Rajesh Crane Services from Pune. I would like to thank you, Inspire Safety Foundation, for recognizing our work, which will always inspire us for work in safety. Thank you.
So we are from Safety Rise Technical Services. We are expertise into scaffolding services in Pan India. So when we talk about lifting India Safety Awards, so basically these things are very rare to find in India, right? Nobody recognizing the safety warriors in Pan India. So here we are very fortunate to being nominated and being awarded as a excellence into the scaffolding services, where our efforts and our hard work are being recognized at this platform. So we thank to all the members of Inspire Safety Foundation and Lifting India Safety Awards. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Give service to our client across the Maharashtra region and the Goa region. So currently we are focusing on the high-rise and the solar profession, including the car parkings, and we do manufacturing in Pune and Kolhapur. So currently this year we supported to Lisa, and yes, for the next many years we will support to the Lisa in the safety manner. Thank you. या श्योर हमारा लिफ्ट का जैसे भी हमारा लिफ्ट इंस्टॉल होता है ओके हमारा एक बार लिफ्ट इंस्टॉलेशन होने के बाद जो भी वहाँ पे रेगुलरली यूज़ करेगा लिफ्ट या फिर वहाँ पे जो चेयरमैन या सोसाइटीज़ मेंबर रहेंगे या कोई इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स लिफ्ट रहेगा तो उनको पूरा एक दिन का ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है कि इसमें कौन से सेफ्टी पार्ट्स है, किस जगह से आपको सेफ्टी में रिकवर होना है, रेस्क्यू करना है. This all these major factors we are telling to customers. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. Thank you so much. It is a very good initiative taken by Inspire Safety, Inspire Council to promote the HAC culture among the companies in terms of construction, in terms of other activities. And they should inculcate this culture across the company, across the organizations, whether it is a small or big, to have a great HAC policies in India. Thank you so much.
Of construction equipment since past 15 years now, but we have been listening about safety, we've been hearing about safety, we've been practicing safety measures in all the construction sites, but this is the first time we have seen an organization recognizing these efforts of all our teammates, all our fellow people who have been struggling every day, who have been trying to find new measures of safety for the people working at construction sites and even at the industries. So I think it's a great gesture from Inspire Safety Foundation, and there should be more coming in. Thank you for that.
So it is really an immense pleasure. So we got facilitated by this Safety Foundation. And this is because of the safety. Actually, we are into the vertical logistics. So where safety is the paramount. We never compromise with any out of here and there of safety. So because of that safety, now we are recognized, and we are really thankful to Mr. Suklaji and his foundation. We are honored, and we wish him all the best. At the same time, we are so proud that, okay, with a small, means a very little span of time, we have achieved a lot. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
So we are into manufacturing of vertical transportation equipments like passenger hoist, passenger material hoist, and only material hoist as well. Yeah. Sure.
Metro project phase 2. We are constructing a elevated metro project from Porur to Kodambakam area. This is basically an elevated project of 1500 crores project, and belongs to 9 stations. So it would be I will be happy to announce that recently we have achieved 15 million safe man hours. So once again I would like to congratulate this, Lisa Safety Awards organized by Inspire Safety Foundations. So as you know, all our L&T is a multinational companies where there are stringent safety procedures to be followed at the site, and daily we are doing a lot of safety activities, lifting activities with 100% perfection in safety. We are working in a very congested and narrow road in Arcot Road. So due to the time constraint and narrow road, we are following 100% safety procedures. Before doing any lifting activities, our method statement and risk assessment is approved by CMRL. Based on that, we will go for lifting activity. Before that, all the operators, riggers and helpers are going for third-party trainings conducted by external agencies. After that, they will go for specific induction and medical test. Once all the approval process is over, we will go for lifting activities.
So good evening to एक बोल रहे थे. Good evening to all and Inspire Safety Foundations and media persons also.
Thank you to Inspire Safety for recognize us in this great prestigious platform for motivate to our workers. We in the GMLR project as a Jay Kumar in Infrastructure Limited, we are doing all the safety compliances as legal requirement as policy we implementing to achieve the zero accident target in our project. So we received this. Thank you. Unico and ICLM is taking great initiative in the lifting safety. They are using digital platform to recognize and identify everything lifting appliances. This is a great initiative by Unico that every digitalization in lifting equipment testing. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Mushtaq Ansari. I am from CCC company from Saudi Arabia. I have nominated for the Safety Award, LISA Award, and this is really a very good award to ensure safety on all of the projects, and not only the spirit in the individual, at the individual level, this is also going to have add value in this, and I trust and I have hope that in India such kind of activities and initiatives has been taken, and this is going to uplift the safety culture and the safety environment into the country. It's a very common. The safety is everywhere common, but the initiative, the culture, and the environment, which we really need it. So here in India, we are not comparatively, we are good, but we have to improve much more because the systems are there. The system is very much important. Everywhere the system works. So we need to instill, and the government of India has taken many initiatives to enhance this culture, and really it is going to happen. And this kind of initiative by Inspire Safety, the culture of safety in India is going to be improved. Thank you. Thank you.
LISA 2025, everybody is having that trust. When the person used to go out from office or else home, the person should be come back to home. The workplace should be safe, and we are hoping L&T should be the, L&T will ensure that workplace should be safe and the person should come back to the home and coming back to the office, and we are very happy to receive this award. Thank you. Within 2 years of experience, and we are working in that bullet train project. Hope that will complete successfully without any loss, any person loss and all. Thank you.
मेरा नाम निशा शुक्ला है और मैं इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन की ट्रस्टी हूँ, फाउंडर मेंबर हूँ। ये अवार्ड मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है ताकि ये जो इंडस्ट्री है जिसको कोई रिकॉग्नाइज़ नहीं करता, कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिली, उसको एक पहचान देने के लिए ये इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट किया है, ये एक इवेंट स्टार्ट किया है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोग जो है इसको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, और जो अभी ये सेकंड सीज़न है हम इसको, और अभी हमने नेशनल लेवल पे किया है, चेन्नई, बेंगलोर, पुणे, सब जगह से लोग आए हैं। इसको हम कभी इंटरनेशनल फोरम में भी पहुंचाना चाहेंगे। मेरी यही उम्मीद है। सबको पहले जितने भी अवार्डीज़ हैं सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और साथ में लिसा के लिए यही प्लानिंग है कि आज नहीं तो कल हम इसको इंटरनेशनल फोरम तक भी लेके जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। नहीं, एक्चुअली रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा मिला। आप क्राउड देख के आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कितने लोग आए हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट से लोग आए हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत अच्छा जो काम किया है, उनको अवार्ड मिला है उनके अच्छे काम के लिए। तो ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये अवार्ड को स्टार्ट करना। और हमने 2nd सीज़न किया है एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर सीजन्स टू अप। Yes, definitely we are taking it forward. अभी ये सीज़न 3 भी होगा, आगे भी होगा लिसा। लेकिन लिसा में जो हम लिफ्टिंग इंडिया सेफ्टी में जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, अभी गुजरात गवर्नमेंट से हमको बहुत सारे ग्रांट्स मिली है। वो लोग चाहते हैं कि हम आगे काम करें, गवर्नमेंट भी सपोर्ट कर रही है, प्राइवेट जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं वो भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। तो आगे हम इसको बहुत अच्छे फोरम पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं।
प्रदीप कुमार पाठक, आई एम द एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर विद दिस कंपनी। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग सेफ्टी के बारे में एक बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है कि हमको सेफ्टी बचपन से सिखाई जाती है। सेफ्टी एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि जो हमको बचपन से सिखाई जाती है, माँ बाप से ही मिली है। जब हम इतने छोटे थे, बेटा यहाँ मत चढ़ो, ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, आग से मत खेलो, पानी में मत जाओ, दिस इज़ द सेफ्टी। और वही हम अभी आप लोग को जैसे बड़े लोगों को सिखाते हैं, ये कंपनी में प्रैक्टिकली क्या रहना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, ये हमारी सेफ्टी को रखते हुए और समाज को कैसे सेफ करना है। क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस होता है इसकी वजह से, इसलिए सेफ्टी के ऊपर हमारी कंपनी इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन के जो को फाउंडर हैं और फाउंडर हैं, एक तरह से मैं उनका फाउंडर हूँ, मैं उनका सीनियर हूँ। तो आप समझ सकते कि एज ए बिग ब्रदर मैं उनका काम किया हूँ या उनके साथ में हूँ अभी। तो आई एम द रिटायर्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर वर्किंग विद इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन एंड यूनिको। तो आप लोग का सहयोग ऐसे मिलता रहेगा तो हम कंपनी को बहुत आगे ले जाएंगे और भगवान चाहेंगे तो हम सक्सेस ज़रूर होंगे और आपसे आगे ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।
इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। वो ये अपना टेक्निकल सेफ्टी का सब टेक्निकल काम करते हुए वो लोगों ने, इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन ने एक सोशल अवेयरनेस भी अपना याद रखा है और उसलिए हमको उन्होंने बुलाया था यहाँ। हमारी जीवदानी मतिमंद स्कूल बोल के विरार में जो बच्चे का ब्रेन डेवलप होते नहीं है, स्पेशल चाइल्ड रहते, वो उनकी हमारी स्कूल है। जो बच्चों सबसे उपेक्षित बच्चे हैं, यानी इसको माँ बाप को भी लगता है कि ये कहाँ से है हमारे घर में, तो ऐसे बच्चों के हम स्कूल चलाते हैं। हमारे पास 58 बच्चे हैं अभी, हम स्कूल चलाते बच्चों की। तो उसमें हम ये सोचते हैं कि जो माँ बाप जिसे कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो हमारे टीचर 10 से 4:30 बजे तक लोग कैसा संभालते, ये कभी अगर आप लोग एक बार आके हमारे स्कूल में देखोगे तो पता चलेगा कि वो बच्चों को सिखाना कितना मुश्किल है। और इसलिए मैं इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन को थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कि उन्होंने कम से कम सोशल अवेयरनेस का एक रख के हमको यहाँ वो अवार्ड देने के लिए बुलाया था, अवार्ड दिया, इसलिए उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
Thanks to all of you and thanks to the LISA Inspire Safety Foundation for giving me that Golden Hook Award. When I asked them about the award, why they are giving me, so they just told me about since last 5 years we use more than 2600 lifting web ceilings of a different size. We also use vacuum lifter for the installation of 17,000 granite stone. It's the first time in India and first time in the construction industries we use, and first time in the construction of temple. Earlier when we asked the other vendors, have you used earlier the vacuum lifter for the installation of stone? Well, no. We are seeing the first time by using the vacuum lifter. We completed our task 3 months prior to the schedule. And the reason behind this is a technology. When we ask Mr. Anupam Shukla, when we start the activity, initially we install 20 to 30 stone per day, and our target is 17,003 numbers of granite stone. If we see the entire schedule, it will take around more than 9 months. when we introduce vacuum lifter for the installation of granite stone, then we completed all our tasks before the 3 months and then 6 months before the schedule. And okay, thanks.
Start. Good afternoon. I am Janardhanam from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Chennai. I would like to appreciate Mr. Shukla ji and the Inspire Safety Foundation for organizing this Lifting India Safety Award. In India, we are having award programs for the safety, but for the lifting safety exclusively, this is the first kind of award program. We also part of the season 1 during September 2023. Now we came for the season 2. Lot of liftings are going on for the infrastructure project. Yes, lot of lifting is happening in the India for constructing the infrastructure project. From 1 ton to 1000 ton we are lifting. And for the appreciation of the lifting personnel, lifting supervisor, operators, and for all the lifting team for organizing the award is really a good move by Mr. Shukla ji. I would like to appreciate Mr. Shukla ji once again and wish him for the continuance of the award in future. We have to go for the international award also. Thank you.
Ex-Director, Industrial Safety and Health, Government of Maharashtra. Presently, I am the Global Community Director of Inspire Safety Foundation. It was a task, difficult task, to facilitate the lifting persons, those who are working very nicely. But all our team has done good work, and henceforth also we will conducting the different awards. Thank you.
My media partners for promoting this event. Secondly, the participants and candidates, those who came from all across India, from multiple projects. So they deserve a big applause for making this event grand success. On behalf of entire Inspire Safety Foundation team, I congratulate everybody, those who witnessed this program, and I look forward for hosting them again in future in our bigger event. And the best part that the media supported very well. The event started well. The host, the event management, everything was very nice. And I look forward for hosting my guests again for next big program. Thank you very much. Thanks all.
आप लोग देखिए, ये मेरी बेटी है, बेटी दामाद हैं दोनों हमारे, और मैंने ही शुरुआत में इनको आशीर्वाद दिया है। तो भगवान की दया से 0 से यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, और ये सबसे बड़ी खुशी है मेरे के लिए। और मैं पूना से आई हूँ, बस बच्चों की खुशी में ही हमारी खुशी है। नमस्कार।
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mrs. Vaibhavi Anand Gore from Nasik, and he is Mr. Anand Devidas Gore from Nasik. It is a privilege to be here, and the program is it was very well organized and very inspiring, truly inspiring. So I would like to thank everyone present here and the organizers. Thank you so much.
आपण जसं ऐकलं, सेफ्टी ही महत्त्वाची असते, आणि इथे ज्या कंपन्यांना अवॉर्ड मिळाले त्या कंपन्यांप्रमाणे सर्व कंपन्यांनी सेफ्टी पाळून आपल्या कंपनीला आणि आपल्या सर्व कामगारांना स्वस्थ ठेवावं, सुरक्षित ठेवावं, या गोष्टीची माहिती मिळाली. त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू. थँक्यू.